Today, I want to walk you through how to use Canva to have your students create infographics. First, you're going to log in with Google. Once you log in with Google, you'll be able to begin your process. Now, there are all sorts of different designs and templates to choose from. Scroll over here, and we're going to select infographic. Here are a ton of really great, visually appealing infographics that students can choose from, and then they can copy and paste their information in. So as they're building their infographic, which is a great way to evaluate student learning, they can download their infographic. Once they download that infographic to their Chromebook, they can push it into Google Drive and then create that shareable link. First, I can right-click on it, I can share with others, copy that link over, and paste it into a Google form or upload it to an LMS platform. Over here, there are so many different templates to choose from and different opportunities for students to create posters, images, things that can be shared out to the class, things that can be used to demonstrate learning of a variety of content areas. So check out Canva today.